Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to reset Facebook feed. Friends, if you want to reset Facebook feed or you want to change preference of content to show on Facebook feed, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here, to reset your Facebook feed, you can simply press on Facebook feed and drag little down. Now when you leave it, it will reset your Facebook feed. And to change preferences of content to show on your Facebook feed, you need to press on the three lines. Here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Now here you will find option content preferences. Press on it. Now from here you can change the preferences of content. Like if you don't want to see political content on your Facebook feed, then you can simply turn it off. Like this, you can also set sensitivity level for content, or want to see less sensitive content, then you can select the option accordingly and click on save. So friends, like this you can also play with other options. So friends, like this you can very easily reset your Facebook feed. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.